Hello students. So today we are going to start with the topic giving access to internet. So in order to use the internet connection, there are various service providers like BSNL, Airtel, MTS, Vodafone, and Tata, Docomo, etc. So what is an internet service provider? Internet service provider is an organization which provide you with access to the internet via dial-up or using modem or a direct hardwire or wireless connection. So basically it is a service provider is an organization that gives you the access to internet by three different modes. One is a dial-up, second using modem, and the second is a direct connection hardwired, or third is a wireless connection that we call as Wi-Fi. Choosing connectivity depends on the ability of the particular technology, speed and connection type in your area. Like let's say in offices we basically don't use Wi-Fi. In corporate offices, in big offices we use wired connections, and small offices we also use Wi-Fi connection, that is wireless connection. So it depends on the type of the ability and the network in your area. Usually small and medium business users, home users and connectivity types use DSL, that is called modem, dial-up or broadband wireless. So what is a modem? A modem is a device that converts digital computer signals into a form, analog signals that can be travel over phone lines. It also reconverts the analog signals back into digital signals. The word modem is derived from its function of modulator or demodulator. So what is a modem? Modem is a device which helps in the conversion of digital computer signals into analog signals, and it also helps in reconverting the analog signals into digital signals. The word modem has been derived from the word from its function, that is demodulator and modulator. What are the common internet connectivity? What are the types of common internet connectivity? There are basically many types, like dial-up, that is wired, DSL is also wired, cable internet access is wired, 3G is wireless, WiMAX is wireless, and Wi-Fi is also wireless. Some of the commonly used internet connectivity are: what is dial-up? Dial-up internet access is a form of internet access that uses the facilities of the public switched telephone network. So it basically uses the landline connections or the your this home telephone connection. So that is the basically the service provider using the telephone or the network connection, telephone or the landline connection. The users dials a particular number provided by ISP and can access to the internet. What is DSL? DSL is digital subscriber line. So it provides internet access by transmitting digital data over wires of a local telephone network. So DSL service is delivered along with wired telephone service on the same telephone line. On the consumer premises, a DSL filter removes the high frequency interface, enabling simultaneous use of the telephone and data transmission. So DSL is basically digital subscriber line. So what it does, it provides internet access by transmitting digital data over wires to the subscriber of a local telephone network. And so this is how it is done. And cable internet access, you have a cable connection. A cable is a form of broadband internet access that uses the cable television infrastructure. So cable internet access is provided through existing cable TV networks, that is similar to DSL. 3G is again a wireless connection. WiMAX is 3G is again a Wi-Fi connection, that is 3G connectivity. We talk about 3G or 4G. So 3G generation is a set of standards used for mobile devices and mobile telecommunication services and networks. High speed downlink packet access is a 3G mobile telephonic communications protocol that allows high data transfer speeds and capacity. So WiMAX, what is WiMAX? WiMAX is also worldwide interoperability for microwave access. Is a wireless communication standard designed to provide mobile broadband connectivity across cities and countries through a variety of devices. Wi-Fi, as we know, is a wireless technology. Is a popular technology that allows electronic devices such as computer and mobile phones to exchange data wirelessly over network, including high-speed internet connection. Wi-Fi devices such as personal computers, smartphones, video game console, etc. can connect to a network resource such as internet through a device called wireless WAP, that is wireless access point. So basically we discussed about all the different types of internet connections, that is dial-up, then modem, sorry, dial-up, and then DSL, and then 3G, the cable internet access, WiMAX, and Wi-Fi. So how in the next class we'll discuss about data transfer on the internet.